Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing with the new Game of Thrones palette from Urban Decay. The colors are absolutely stunning. And if you want to see how I created this eye look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start out with House Lannister right here. It is this peachy kind of nude shade. I'm going to take that on my Tom Ford brush, and that is going to go straight in to my crease as my transition shade. It will look like it just blends right into my skin, but that's because it will act to help blend everything else together that we put on. Now with a MAC 217, I'm going to go in with Nymeria here, this kind of brown shade. And I'm just going to deepen up my crease a little bit with that. In the inner and outer edges, as I think I'm going to create a halo eye effect. So I don't really know what color I want to do. This one right here, Stormborn, is really calling my name. It looks, I don't know if you guys can see that. I think I'm going to try that. I'm going to dip that in with my MAC 239. And I'm going to put that in my inner and outer corners to start creating a halo. I'm going to get it wet with some MAC Fix Plus. Let's try that again. So that shade definitely worked better wet. I will use it wet again to do the same to the other eye. And I'll just speed this process up. So now that we look a little scary, I'm going to take this little Juvia's Place 006 blender brush. I'm going to go back in with that House Lannister pink kind of shade. And I'm just going to kind of blend out these lines here. Now I think I'm going to take a little bit of this Take the Black shade. It has like a sparkle, not much. I just want to deepen the outer section just a smidge. So I'm not doing any swiping motions. I'm just lightly packing it in where I want it. And then I'll drag it through the crease just a tiny. Now for the inner halo portion, I'm going to use two shades. The first one I'm going to start off with is Bay of Dragons right here. It's like this pinky shade, and I am going to go in with it with my Alamar flat brush, and I'm going to use some MAC Fix Plus to get it wet. And I'm going to put that not quite in the center, but kind of on the sides. Just where that purple starts to meet in. Okay, that's not quite working as well. I'm going to go in with my finger and Bay of Dragons, and I'm just going to touch it on either side, kind of where that purple, that dark purple is. Now with my MAC 239, I'm going to go in with King's Landing, this really beautiful light gold shade. And I'm also going to get it wet with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. And we'll see how this lays down. For the lower lash line, I'm just going to kind of mimic what I have on the top. So I'm going to use a bit of the purple and the black in the outer corners, and then I'm going to go in with the gold in the center. Now with my Tom Ford, I'm just going to go back in with House Lannister, this pink shade here. And I'm just going to kind of blend around everything. Now I'm going to go in with Hard Home right here. And I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight. And again, I'm going to use it wet with some MAC Fix Plus. I'm also going to use a little bit of Hard Home to highlight underneath of my brow bone. Alright guys, now you know the drill. I'm going to jump off camera and do my liner and my lashes. So I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24 Hour in Chaos on the lower lash line. Top, I'm going to use Kat Von D's ink liner in Trooper. And mascara, I'm going to use Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So, hang on. And that part is done. I think it needs a little something extra, so we're gonna throw on some lashes. I don't ever wear lashes, but today we'll use these ones. And the Lily lashes are on. Now I'm going to finish the look off using my Fenty Beauty Unbuttoned Liquid Lipstick. This formula is so amazing. I love it. And I'm going to set the entire look using the Becca Skin Love Glow Shield Prime Mist and Set Setting Spray. I love this stuff. It leaves such a glowy afterlook to the skin. Alright guys, here is the final look. For the most part, everything blended quite nicely. Let me get up and show you guys a little closer. The lashes are beautiful as well. This is the first time I've used the Lily lashes, and I gotta say they are quite nice. I'm very pleased with how the look came out. If you've been contemplating picking up the Urban Decay Game of Thrones, I highly recommend it. And it's such an awesome collection piece as well. It's got the pop-up throne. Anyways, guys, I thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified, you know you gotta hit the bell. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.